Hi! In front of me is Vivo V23 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. After that, click on those 3 lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Now just I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to select Set to Live Wallpaper, click on Apply at the bottom right corner and select one of those options. I will go with Home Screen Only, so I have to click on it and go back. As you can see now, when I click Home button, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!